Friends, welcome back to Marquis Soaps. Today we are making Mermaid Kisses by Nature's Garden. This is a beautiful floral scent. It is my top selling whip soap, and I have made it in bar soap before, but this time it'll be a little bit different. We are using our large slab mold, and we're coming really close to the top of this container and the top of the stick blender. So let's get this mixed up and we'll split it off into our colors. Using the King Tut Gold by Mica. Our next color is called Proud Peacock by Nurture Soap. And we're going to use 2 nice heaping teaspoons of colorant. Next, we're going to use Harold's Purple Crayon by Mad Micas, and the same, about 2 teaspoons. And use Flower Girl. This will be 2 heaping teaspoons. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just wipe down all the mica from the sides of each of these bowls. Give it a quick buzz with my stick blender, and then I will add in the fragrance oil. This fragrance oil does accelerate, I might even separate, or not separate, rice, if I remember correctly. So I want my colorants to be good to go. That way we can quickly get this in the mold if it starts to turn south on us. It looks like it wants to rice, so we're just going to go in with the stick blender really quick in each of these, and then we're going to do an in the pot swirl and then pour it all into our mold. This one is so pretty. I love that top. Swirls and all of the glitter. It's gorgeous. So hopefully it looks just as nice on the inside. Here she is. So it did get money together just a little bit, but it's not bad. And these lines right here are just from the eco glitter on top, scraping down the side of the soap. It's still very pretty. The blue in there is just gorgeous. So let's go ahead and cut this on its side to try to prevent those lines down the soap. She is. So the soap will be available in our March release if you are interested. That goes live on March the 7th, along with all of the other ocean, outdoor, dreaming of spring and summer, because I live in Iowa and today is February. And the temperature outside is -17 right now with the wind chill of -29. So I think it's fair to say that a lot of us today, at least, are dreaming and wish for nice warm days. So thanks everyone for watching, and we will see you next time. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, friends.